Hey, it's Ben. I've got this piano note strips meant to go on your piano to help you learn how to play. The company sent these to me to test out, so let's get them out and see what we think. Okay, so let's get these out and we'll see what they're like. All right, so these come in these long strips and they are silicone. So um, obviously you want to be careful and not be pulling them apart or anything, but they come in these long strips and they're kind of rubber, so they're grippy on the bottom a little bit. On the top, they're not, but so these will lay right on top of the piano keys. And it comes with this guide, so if you don't have a full 88 key piano and you want to put it on a keyboard, it gives you an idea of where to cut them. And then here's just a guide as well, just to show you the color-coded areas and where to place these. Okay, so on my piano, this is middle C. So we're going to find middle C on the labels. I'm just going to lay it down on top. And it takes a little bit of arranging to get it in and make sure they're not twisted up or else they will not lay right. So I got the middle section laid down. And so this is only labeling the white keys, but it's a great point of reference. There's middle C, especially for beginners, and you're learning the names of the notes. On the C note every time, it's just a reminder of the clef you're in as far as how it's notated. And all the way up, I've got them sit down on the keys. And it definitely does not interfere at all with playing. So I think this is a great tool for beginner piano players. Just until they get the hang of the notes, or just leave them on there all the time if they need a quick reference point when they're reading off their sheet music. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.